Sa ating pagtuturo, kinakailangan malinaw sa atin paano muna tayo bumubuo ng isang relasyon na positibo. Nakikita na natin sa ating sa screen. So, nandito yung Aral-Learner self-skills. Ano yung napapansin ninyo o evident na self-skills sa inyong learner? Mayroong pagkilala sa sarili. Okay. So, sa unang step, nandito yung get ready o yung understanding learners' emotional growth and relationship. Ito din yung magbubukas ng relasyon. Yung kumusta ka today, hindi mo alam kung gaano kalaki yung impact nito sa isang batang kukumustahin mo. You may answer, how will you introduce the self-skill and prepare aral learners to engage with it? Next part, establish. Nakapaloob dito yung ating mga routines. For the lower grades, we have the thumbs up, thumbs down. It would be quite difficult for them to express kanilang nararamdaman. Isa din yon sa dahilan kung bakit hindi siya nakakasunod sa lesson. Thumbs up, thumbs down. This is a simple activity, na i-gauge lang natin nasaan na siya. What activities will you use to help aral learners practice and develop the self-skill? Sustaining relationships through shared goals using SEL. In sustaining the relationship, the positive relationship, kasama rin tayo doon sa celebration ng kanilang wins. Be it a small win or a big win, na perfect nila o at least half of the score nakuha nila. You may answer, how will you maintain and reinforce the SEL skill over time? Trust must come before task and connection before correction.